Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to mount our SL01 and SR01 Sportster solo bags. So let's get started. The left side bags are much easier to get installed. You don't even have to remove the side cover. But for the right side bags, it's better to remove the side cover and it's easier to loop the straps, the mounting straps. So all you need to do is get a screwdriver and pull on the bottom tab here. And it's very easy to remove the side cover. And now all you gotta do is reach inside the bag and pull out one end of the straps. The top two loop around the frame section here and the bottom loops around the belt guard mount. So all you gotta do, maybe even try to do both at the same time, just like that. Everything buckles inside, so the buckles stay out of the way of any paint or chrome surface and nothing gets scratched. And the bottom one wraps loosely around the belt guard, and this one doesn't carry any weight. It's just to prevent the bag from flapping in the air while riding. And now you can put the cover back on. That. And you can adjust the position of the bag with the straps. Looks pretty good to me right now. So now the bag is mounted and ready to go. Just like that. We do have a lot more bags and accessories to choose from, so if you'd like to check them out, please visit our website at BAD&G customs.com. Thank you and see you next time.